my friends. Welcome back to our English class. We are at the airport. Airport. This is a suitcase. Suitcase. That is an airplane. Airplane. We are going to New York City. Let's go! We are on the airplane.
Airplane. Look, clouds, clouds. This is a seatbelt.
Seatbelt. That's so long.
We are in New York, New York City. This is the airport. Airport. I am very happy. Let's explore the city. This is a taxi. Taxi. Wow, big buildings, buildings. New York is very busy.
This is a hotel. Hotel. This is my room key. Key. I will stay here for 5 days.
This is Times Square. Square. Big screens. It is lights. It is very busy. Busy.
This is Central Park. Park. Trees. It is quiet and beautiful. This is the Statue of Liberty. It is very famous. It stands for freedom and was a gift from France. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. It was dedicated in 1886. I am shopping. Shopping. Clothes. Shoes. I like shopping.
Wow, we are in a helicopter. Look, New York City from the sky. Buildings to the whole tour. New York is beautiful from the air.
This is the New York Public Library. Books. This place is very quiet. I can read and learn here. This is New York University. These are students. They study here every day. Education is very important. New York is very famous. Statue of Liberty, Times Square, big buildings, Broadway shows, delicious food. New York is a city full of life. It is time to go home. Thank you, New York. Goodbye. Did you enjoy the trip? Repeat after me and practice English every day. Subscribe to Read, Learn, Listen, and learn English with me.